Hello, welcome to Lordist Infotech. In this short demo, we will see overview of dashboard, masters, WMS operations and reports. After login, it displays dashboard for selected branch here. Here it shows pending and unauthorized transactions counts. Here it displays counts for customers, products and transactions. Here it displays occupancy in terms of how many locations are in use. Here it displays bar chart for chamber-wise locations usage and availability. Here it displays pie charts for top customers and top products based on locations usage. In this sections, it displays today's delivery orders. And here it displays today's pick lists and its picking status. Here it displays chart for monthly average chamber usage. We can select particular branch to view its dashboard. Or we can also select all branch to view combined dashboard for all branches. Now let's see masters first. This is customer master. It displays existing records here. We can sort, search or group records here. We can also hide or show columns as per our requirements. We can click on Add button to create new record for this master. We can select record and edit it also. This is Customer Location Master. Here we can manage all inward and outward locations of customers. This is Product Master. Here we can manage all products and its information like product code, name, barcode, group, subgroup, its storage type, unit and other information. This is City Master, State Master and Country Master. This is Unit Master. This is Storage Type. Here we can define all storage types applicable in our warehouse. This is Chamber Master. This is Locations Master. These are Group and Subgroup Masters. This is Rate Master where we can define customer-wise rates for activities like storage, loading, unloading, etc. We can define different rates for each storage type. We can define rates per pallet, per quantity, per weight and also define whether these rates are for daily, weekly or monthly. Now, let's see WMS operations. This is gate entry screen to track incoming and outgoing vehicles. After creating gate entry, we can add GRN against it using this screen. Here it shows pop-up for gate entries for which GRN is pending. We can select gate entry and it will fetch its info in this GRN screen. We can fill other information related to unloading here. Now let's add product for this GRN. We can either scan barcode to fetch product information or we can manually select product from the list. We can select unit and enter its quantity. We can also capture batch number, manufacturing date and expiry date here. After adding all products received in this GRN, we can finally click on Save button to save this GRN. We can print this GRN. We can authorize this GRN to post its stock in the system. Once unloading is done, we can track vehicle out time as well from this screen. Now, let's do storage allocation for the GRN we just added. In this pop-up, it shows GRNs for which allocation is pending. We will select GRN and do its storage allocation. We can print storage allocation and also prints its labels. We can also create direct GRN from here without gate entry. In direct GRN, we select customer and fill all information here and then rest flow of adding products and authorized GRN is same as we saw for GRN against gate entry. Now, let's see direct dispatch. We can select customer, its delivery location and fill other information related to dispatch here. And then click on Select Products button to view customer stock and add it to dispatch. After adding products to dispatch, we can click on Save button to save this dispatch. We can print dispatch as well. Now, let's have a look at other screens for internal operations. This is product transfer form, where we can move stock from its current location to other location. This is stock adjustment screen to adjust stock. This screen is for stock take. This screen is to reserve entire chamber or particular locations for a customer for a period. Now, let's see invoice generation. Here, we can fetch data to view before invoice generation. Here it shows invoice amount for each customer, and we can also view its charges details. We can remove a customer if for any reason we do not want its invoice to be generated for now. And then click on Save button to generate invoices for all customers shown above. We can select multiple invoices and print it. Now, let's see reports. This is inward-outward report. We can view only inward and only outward as well. We can select date range. We can select customer to view its inward and outward only, and also can mail this report to customer directly from here itself. We can filter this report by customer, product or batch number. We can mail this report to our management by clicking this button. We can also view line chart for this report. This is product stock report. We can view stock customer-wise, group and subgroup-wise, product-wise or batch-wise. Filter for customer, product, batch number and email to management and email to customer features are also available in this report. We can also view only expired and near expiry stock as well. This is location-wise product stock. Here it shows stock with its chamber and location details. This is storage usage report. We can view storage report chamber-wise, customer-wise, product-wise and storage type-wise. This is timeline report. Here we can view chamber-wise, location-wise or product-wise timeline. This is grouped stock report. Here we can select groups combination as per our requirements and view its report and chart. This is labor charges report. This is invoice report. We can view invoice detail and grouped report with its chart. All reports, we can export to Excel and PDF as well. This is admin menu where few important masters and settings can be managed by admin user only. We can import customers, products, locations and opening stock from Excel or CSV files as well. Hope you liked this short demo of our WMS. Thank you.